In today's video, my patience and sanity is tested at the Sea Day Brunch. Then I spend some time at the Shop, Eat, and Explore show before losing myself in the lull of the seas. Then we'll head to the Rock Show before we finish out the evening in the Elegant Night Dinner. All that and more starts now.
Well, hello, good morning, and welcome back to a windy deck. The Salton Sea in my hair. Just totally messing it up. I just took a shower. Why would you do that? Today is a sea day, so we are getting ready for the Sea Day Brunch, of course. The classic Sea Day Brunch. I am out here on one of the observation decks, which is, it's technically deck 11, but you can get there by going on deck 10, Lido deck. You can go on the outside of the ship, and then you walk up and you're standing on top of the bridge. So the bridge is right below us here. Beautiful shot of the ship here. Got some birds. I don't know where they're coming from because I don't see land, ho. Anyways. Yeah, so not much on the agenda today. They have a couple of different things. They have Taylor Swift trivia, so I might try the Taylor Swift trivia. You know, since I'm such a Swiftie and all, I'll win it. How funny would that be if I won a medal for Taylor Swift trivia and my wife wasn't even here? That'd be hilarious. She's a big Swiftie, if you don't know. So is my daughter. They're both two little peas in a pod, and I miss them. It's great solo cruising and, being able to do this as a paid hobby, if you will. But sometimes solo cruising, I kind of miss them. I miss them. But anyways, let's go down and get some breakfast because I'm hungry. All right, we have made it here to the Elation restaurant for brunch. We'll throw the menu up here so you can check it out. It is the same Sea Day Brunch menu that we have across all Carnival ships, at least for the last 5 years or so. So, we're doing good. If it ain't broke, don't fix it, apparently. I did bring my emergencies supply of coffee creamer. So, if you are a coffee connoisseur like I am.
You like some coffee as well?
Yes, please. Oh, yes. Got the creamer myself.
I like it.
Yes. Thank you.
Emergency.
Mm-hmm.
You are alone or somebody coming?
No, just me.
Okay.
Thank you. So yeah, if you are a fan of flavored coffee and you don't want to spend $1 million at the cafe, bring your own. These were loose in this box. Nobody cares. Ship doesn't care. TSA doesn't care. No one cares. Hiya. How are you? If I could start with a croissant, if I could get some guava jelly, that'd be great. Eggs Benedict with salmon. And then a side of bacon.
Bacon, sure.
Yep, and corned beef hash. And then if I can also do the lox and salmon.
Okay.
With extra cream cheese, please.
Okay, cream cheese.
And then if I could do the banana cream pie.
Banana cream pie.
That's it.
Okay, all right.
Perfect. Thank you very much. The eggs that are on my plate are hard-boiled eggs. They are not poached eggs. They are not even soft-boiled. These are hard-boiled eggs. So they brought a second one. It's ham, not salmon. And then the guy said, "Can you cut it open for me?" So then I cut it open, and I said, "It's still a little soft-boiled, but it's fine." And he said, "Wait for me." So now I'm waiting, and now I just feel bad.
She would go in the cabinet and take everything out. You have to watch everything.
It's real now.
Okay. All right, perfect. There we go. Yes, these are quite jiggly.
but it's
Yes.
seldom. Now,
Yes, much better. Thank you. Thank you.
All right. Well, we are back from that somewhat testing breakfast. I don't know. It all worked out in the end, and that's fine. But we've come back to the room for duckies. If you are not aware, you must be living under a rock. Cruise ducks are a thing. Basically, people hide rubber duckies around cruise ships for people to find, and sometimes they'll attach a little card, kind of tells them, hey, oh, what luck, you found a duck, keep or hide, you decide. Now, I also have a little QR code people can scan so they can see our trip. I think it's pretty fun when I see myself in other people's videos on YouTube. So I put that on there, so if they want to check it out and see if they happen to be in the background of a video. Now, I don't go around purposely filming people because, you know, not everybody wants to be on YouTube. Not everybody wants to be a star. I do. I would like to be a star, which is why I'm here. Okay. So remember earlier I was talking about quiet corners? God, they're so hard to find a quiet corner these days. So we are in the piano bar, and I just got done with the Sea, the Shop, Eat, and Explore show. Good information, especially if you've never been to some of these ports. It's nice to have the maps. Those are pretty cool. I ended up talking with Jacques, and I think I'm going to go to the insider shopping party in Nassau tomorrow. So basically what he's doing is he's taking everyone in a roundabout path to all of these different shops. I don't plan on buying anything, but to get you in the door, a lot of these shops advertise something for free. Obviously, it's going to be a trinket, but I have a 5-year-old who loves trinkets. And so I want to do a test to see is this all just a scam? Like the inch of gold. It's plated, it's not going to last, it tarnishes quickly. So is this another inch of gold type shopping experience? So that's going to be the plan for tomorrow. Now, I will say that show went a lot longer than I thought it was going to go. So I missed the Taylor Swift trivia. Sorry, babe. I was trying to do the Taylor Swift trivia for you, but it had already started by the time this one got out. So I don't really have anything planned for the next little bit. I don't know. We might go walk around for a little bit, but I am thinking about lunch here soon. I'm going to go put this back in the room and then go from there. We've made it back out of the room. Sat and did some work for a little bit, trying to get a preemptive jump on the editing and stuff of this series, since I need to get right on it when I get home. So did a little unloading, organizing of some of the camera gear and some of the videos and stuff. So get a little jump on that. But now I'm out here at the Serenity Deck, which is the adults only area after the ship, deck 9. And just gonna sit here and chill. The weather has cleared up enough that couches are dry and we're just hanging out. So I'm just gonna sit here and watch the world go by, and I think you should enjoy that with me for a moment. It's not beautiful because it's pretty stormy, but it is beautiful in its own way. So let's watch the sea, the life, the world go by. So we are on deck 11, and I'm going to take you to a secret deck. It's not really like a secret outside deck. People really don't know about it. You can get to there two ways. Either deck 11 forward.
Deck 10, go outside, go forward, stairs up the bridge. But this is the easiest way to do it. Deck 11, forward. So we were just there at the atrium, walk past the elevators, and you go down to the end of the hall.
After watching the world float by, it was time to head on inside and check out the epic rock show.
Okay, so that was the rock show. I feel like they've either updated it or changed costumes or something. I've seen it before, but it seemed a little bit different. Maybe just better, or maybe it's been a while since I've seen it. But I actually really enjoyed that. It was really nice. I sat with a couple of other couples who were super, super nice. So shout out to all them. You know, everybody has been super cordial on this cruise, like more so than usual. And I don't know if it's the smallness, more intimateness of the ship, because this is a really small ship in comparison to a lot of the other big ships, but everyone has just been like super nice. But great show. Again, live instrumentation. I say it every time. If we had live instruments, we had band playing on the stage. You started with the guitarist playing a bunch of rock music, and he was really good, and he's part of one of the bands that played last night. I was watching them. So you have the musicians to play it. It's just, do they have the time? Do they have the bandwidth to also perform in the show? Probably not, but really, really great show. So I think we're going to try and go to dinner.
Okay, we have made it to dinner. They sat me at a 4-person table for some reason. Ring, 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 ring. Hello, the sea is calling. Get it? It's my shell phone. My shell phone. Do you get it? Because it's a shell, but I'm pretending it's a phone.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
We made it here to dinner. I will throw the menu up here so you can check it out. This is the fancy dinner, so got lots of really fun things on the menu here. If I could start with the calamari, and then if I could do the starter of the crawfish fettuccine,
Absolutely.
and then a Caesar salad,
Yes.
and the beef carpaccio,
Beef carpaccio.
yep, and the cordon bleu,
Chicken cordon bleu.
and then the creme brulee.
Thank you, Robert.
Thank you, Sonny.
Any drinks for you?
I got a Coke. I'm good enough. Thank you.
How about you?
All right, we've made it back to the room after a lovely dinner. And then we hung out and listened to the musician for a little bit. There was a guitarist going on down there. It was pretty fun. We're back in the room. It is 10:15. I have a bunch of work to do here still. Take a shower and get ready to go to bed. Tomorrow's Nassau. Got a bright and early day. Food was really good. The creme brulee, the crust, whatever you call that, the caramelized crust was really thick. So when I tried to like break it apart, usually you like lightly tap on it and it breaks because it's like a thin layer. This was like a sheet of ice. I hit it and then all the juices jumped on the outside because I didn't crack it. I just was compacting all of it. It kind of startled me and I almost got it on my nice shirt. I'd have been real mad. But yes, everything has gone really, really fast since the show, since before the show. I was walking around the ship and saw a couple taking some photos together and was taken aback because I thought I recognized the lady and was like, I can't really place her. And so I got a little closer and observed, and I went, I feel like I know this person. They were taking couples photos, so they're both looking smashing, because of course it's Ellen at night. And so I pulled up Facebook, and I went to her profile, because we're friends on Facebook. And I was like trying to match up the tattoos, because I haven't seen this person in at least 15 years, if not more. It's been a long time. It's been 1 week since you looked. Anyways, sorry. So they finished wrapping up, and I went, eh, and then she went, eh, and then we both went, oh my God. So shout out Ariel and Jared. That was a really fun time, like catching up, talking about the people that we've known, and then trying to rehash, like, how did we even meet? Who through what? It's just pretty funny. But that is where I'm going to leave you guys tonight. I need to quickly finish up all this work, shower, and get ready for bed because we have an early day tomorrow in Nassau, which I'm actually looking forward to. I've said that the last couple of times. That was not always the case going to Nassau, but I am looking forward to it this time. So that's all I got for you today. My name's Rob with the YouTube channel Here Today, Where Tomorrow, and we will see you there. Bye-bye. If you like this video and want to see more, please head on over to the channel and subscribe. And if you want to get notified, ring that little bell. We upload new videos every week.